one piece of plague come down from Jerome.
Why am I play company? Why is me play company?
But I think you come out here. One wall if I flying something and biting something.
Papa, me don't want to catch you.
Guys, sit down there. Well, if them a fly around the place.
What
Yeah.
close pin them?
All in a Jerome head, which means them probably in a female too.
Is somebody close pin them?
No? Yeah. Whole heap of them. Are you? See, the dog go down there close.
London plague people. No can come over here and do now.
After me not do nothing. Are you come over here and trouble the ancestors? Then they are about here. People, Jerome, they have a dog receipt. We're at the park. We're at the park. Run away on part.
You come and say that and just say
Oh god. Yeah, that hurt me. How would I park? We can take a little walk out.
Papa's sleeping.
Jerome no want to sit down on the seat and say it look like dog sit down on them. But I tell him say dog sit down in the bus too. So you're not going to sit down now, eh?
I did earlier and I promised you to be there.
What water do you?
Nah, be in the kill. Too much beer in the kill of you.
I say go. Nasty or nasty. But we're outside, people. We're outside. Whoa. Jerome said I cut the video then too shorty. So I'm going to give him the camera and make him talk.
I'll pay a picture of like Canada though.
But we don't have nothing to say.
Papi, what do you have to say?
We must sleep. We don't have nothing to
Papi
say.
sleep.
No paparazzi, please. What you say?
Where is it?
We can go. So I get some food for another good group.
Excuse me?
And they say them a barbecue and it's smoke.
People.
We love provoking me, see? So I come on for a part for.
I don't know how far I can go. You can go over them slide, they go jump on and sit them do. I pick them alone.
He pick
She blow me at that. Me I go over there, go jump and slide too.
Jerome and God, he pick me them playground people. Tell me no. Jerome was going to the kids' playground by himself as a man.
I don't just put the baby in my lap, so anything.
But I don't feel him age place that.
And seesaw.
But I don't feel him age place that. Go back on the park. Go around. You're my in there.
Hey, top is nice. I can't pay for driving, boy. Mr. Man, Sam, it nice. Like you must say, what you do? You know what you guess?
People, I don't load up plane there fly.
Should I show you?
Let's go turn around this.
Sit up and sit down.
People, see there. We're going up the beaten path. You see plane? How low it a fly? It a go up now though. They're not playing a ball out today.
It's time. What time now?
After 7.
What ball was?
After 8.
Papi, you're grown in there, I make love.
Can I love? It's not easy.
Papi, a dream.
Everybody in the little family out here sit down.
Yeah, guys, I'm going to make a bigger family. But you know what?
Excuse. People are after 8, so I'm just a go down.
Okra feed me a drink.
Okra feeding. Oh God. Are you a game okra feeding? Really nice little Muslim family. They come out in their little family, sit down and eat their food and sitting. And we could lock up in our house like we know nobody.
No furniture? It's furniture.
Alright, me and say, no, start to come out more often. How was your birthday up, sir?
Which for?
See, do you want big old balloon there?
Oh. You want to go?
You know, so they would run.
Let's just see.
They would run, you know, people.
Man, if you come out anyway.
I mean, for see there.
Sorry, Pop?
Unless are you? I in them. Wanna go over there? Be la vibes.
That is a point finger for my baby, you know.
What?
It's you.
Do.
It's you, Pop.
No, if it's true, if I don't remember that, tell me.
Papi, is you?
No sleep. Sun's about to set, guys. After 8. Yeah.
The 21 of me age over here for drink alcohol or no?
18.
Oh, I'm loose.
Oh boy. See now I play a ball. And we sit down and we are like an idiot.
Oh, you?
More. Y'all come out and come play nothing.
You tell me move yourself, move on them too much. So me can't turn on place. No ADHD.
This need one somewhere to catch this, you know. They can't hold it little.
People buy.
You see it though. You see it though.
Kind of untired fam.
So hold it little now.
No man,
I'm
just
not too one yard.
No, I'm tired.
So put it in one hand.
Guys, Conor is very tired, so guess what? We catch up with you guys.
You saying stay people and he always a quarrel, so me I cut the video then too short and he know and hold it. But it's alright.
It's not entirely so.
No. So hold it then.
My hand entirely, I push the baby. I don't want to crash.
Me say you lie.
Show them.
And not that side. Look how them a fly low. You see?
You can switch it down, flip the camera.
I take off in the car. I gave him a look fun.
What fun about that? Oh, where you come from, sister? You know I throw the frisbee one in my room, look at you like you know throw something you dog and then catch your van down? Does that look fun?
You don't have nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, but you can't post something else to wait, man. You're trying to international.
What?
You got things to me bad.
Oh.
You chat them dog.
Then what?
You're mad. I love dogs, people. In fact, I love to kiss my dog.
You're bloody ass, yeah.
My dog name is Shaggy.
People?
I want trim.
We sit down here so. And
Guys,
we sit down
seriously?
with Jerome and Jerome say, no babe.
Nah! Don't do that. Don't do that. That's not posted.
Why? You can't sit down with your husband and friend. People? Would I say something else, but you can't take a drama. For me, though, say.
Yeah, contribute to your conversation. Bye. This cut.
People, I'm gonna make me say because in a striped shirt, me go put on a stripe. I did dress before him, I was dressed before him and sitting down waiting. And he won't make me say me I follow him. You saw people out of other people?
Yeah, they're cool, babe.
Out of cool? So make your name put on your hoodie.
Pull over?
Your hoodie?
Pull over, this is the number.
Your hoodie? Me video too short and you're not saying nothing.
What is it?
Okay, that is why we video so short, because we have nothing to say. Alright people, so we're from the angle, you know. Excuse me?
Come on, trim baby, I should play on bush up neck.
Then what people never see ear before. You see more, yeah. Look. Ear.
Papi, hey, nobody at the ball, and do.
You my bad?
You might miserable himself there. You want to come out that door? Let me take him out.
Cool.
Come. You want to ask the door? Papi, out here is cold. You see? Come on, out here is cold.
people, once the something stop move, he might go start ball. Because you have to keep him.
You catch foreign cold.
You might catch foreign cold.
Boy, you catch foreign cold. I want to find leakage again. Alright. Okay, alright, no better call now. Then come park up with it. Found it. And nothing records. Guys, popping up fast now. You probably make be nice. I want to see what I'm going to do. But outside a little bit chilly, so.
But a long time, I tell you, so making see what go on. And you want to know in cold. See that now?
I want the breeze to blow on your face. So wrap up with a 2 blanket.
Look a breeze have to blow up on him. Oh lordy.
So I think I don't want to see what I do. I want to do it too. I'm quiet as a long now. Over the side, babe. Over the side. So go over the side.
Oh.
We fly don't come back and attack.
Not true. Look like they're not like under the something them. Cause when we under them, they not come.
Papi, come. Not a sound.
You want to see what go on. You want to be involved. Yes. Your little face I look through the hole.
Papi, look backyard. Show them what I say. Let's see what I say. Papi, look backyard possible.
Pumpkin needs to know what's going on at all times. Hello? Are you your father?
Yeah. It's a long day, it's not doing.
Bye.
Guys, I'm a sixth day with this now.
That's where you get your next 5.
I'm telling you your business.
No, you need to tell me the business.
I'm 6th one, this is it.
The chair go on here.
My baby mother them.
Bye.
My baby mother them.
Very much bye.
All my baby mother them are sending greetings to
That
you.
means you're not mind them.
They don't know, man. They don't want to send to my mother.
Okay. Now look for you now.
You want to say, I'm sorry,